Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put a text box over an image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show put a text box over an image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Then find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert option. Now resize your picture. Now click for wrap text, then click for none option. Then again click for insert option. Now click for a draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now try for text. That's it's okay. Then you show put a text box over an image in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.